Ever wondered how to make authentic Algerian couscous? Well, wonder no more. Today we dive into the delicious world of this North African staple, unraveling the secrets of its flavors and textures. First, gather all the ingredients. For the couscous itself, you need 2 cups of fine semolina, 1/3 cup of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. As for the stew, you'll need a pound of lamb or beef, cut into chunks, 2 carrots, 2 zucchini, and 1 bell pepper, all sliced. You'll also need a cup of chickpeas, 1 large onion, diced, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a ½ teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 quart of water. Start by preparing the couscous. In a large bowl, mix the semolina with the salt, then gradually add ½ cup of water while kneading the mixture until it's well combined. Drizzle the olive oil over it, then let it rest for about 20 minutes. While the couscous is resting, begin working on the stew. In a large pot, brown the meat on all sides, remove it and set it aside. In the same pot, sauté the onions and garlic until they're soft and fragrant. Add the paprika, cumin, and turmeric, stirring well to combine. Next, return the meat to the pot, add the vegetables, chickpeas, and water. Bring the stew to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about an hour or until the meat is tender. Now back to the couscous. After it has rested, break up any lumps and place it in the top part of a couscous steamer. If you don't have one, a fine mesh sieve over a pot of simmering water will do. Steam the couscous for 20 minutes, then fluff it with a fork. To serve, mound the couscous on a large platter and make a well in the center. Ladle the stew into the well, making sure each serving gets a good mix of meat, vegetables, and broth. So to summarize, prepare the couscous by mixing semolina, salt, water, and olive oil, and let it rest. Brown the meat, sauté the onions and garlic, add the spices, then return the meat to the pot along with the vegetables, chickpeas, and water. Simmer until tender. Steam the couscous, then serve it with the stew ladled on top, and there you have it. Authentic Algerian couscous, full of rich flavors and textures, ready for you to enjoy. Now go forth and feast on this North African delicacy.